Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will guide you through how to resize images in Photopea. Photopea is a free alternative to Photoshop online. Go to Photopea website, open the image by clicking File, Open, select the image, and here is our image. So make sure this layer is selected that we are working with. I mean, there can be more layers on top of this background, like this text layer, but your control should be at the layer that you want to resize. So select the layer that contains your image. From top, check Transform Controls option. And now you can resize the image. It is proportionally resizing. Alt, it is resizing from the center. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and press left mouse click button and then drag to resize. Once it's according to your need, release Alt key and left mouse button. Alternatively, you can also go to Image, select Image Size, and from here you can choose the image size. For example, let's choose 800 by 800. Keep other values same, and this thing helps keep aspect ratio. Make sure it's checked. Press OK, and now the image is resized. Now image size is 800 by 800. After you're done, save the image as JPEG or PNG. File, export as PNG or JPG. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.